Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to solve the yellow face. In the previous videos we have solved the second layer and the white face. If you have not checked them, do check it. I have given them their links in the description box. To solve the yellow face, first we need to solve the yellow cross. While solving the yellow cross, different people may overcome three different cases. Now we have got a case. This case is called the yellow L. To make the yellow L into the yellow cross, we have an algorithm, which is F U R U I R I F I, and the yellow L becomes the yellow cross. Now we are in our second case. This second case is called as the yellow line. To make the yellow line into the yellow cross, we have another algorithm, which is F R U R I U I F I, and the yellow line turns into the yellow cross. Now we are in the third case, which is called as the yellow dot. To make the yellow dot into the yellow cross, we have an algorithm, which is F U R U I R I F I, and some people may have got the yellow line, or some people may have got the yellow cross. I have got the yellow line, so I need to apply the formula of the yellow line by F R U R I U I F I, and we are done with our yellow cross. We need to fill yellow colors here, 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 and here. So some people may have got yellow colors here and here. Such people have to apply this formula. This formula by holding these two the fill yellow layers opposite to you, and apply this formula. Then you will be completed with the yellow face. Now looking at our case, first we need to look for a place in which we have the yellow in a left place. If you do not have the yellow in your left place, you need to choose for a place which is yellow in the left place and apply the formula R U R I U R U 2 R I, and we have the yellow which was here comes here, and we have an yellow here. Now we need to hold these four blocks to the bottom left corner, and make sure that there is a yellow here. If the yellow is not here, you can just apply this formula and bring the yellow here. Now as we have the yellow here, I'm going to apply the formula R U R I U R U 2 R I, and we are done with our yellow face. By this video, you need to be completed with the white face, the two layers, and the yellow face. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.